they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, hurts man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth
Today
it.
we're unboxing
This society is really trying me.
So let's get started. Let's see the presentation and we go from there. In the box you get your adjusting tool. Be careful, these can fold out, so make sure you open it up on a nice surface. They give you a little instruction booklet and manual. Absolutely stunning. Gucci ain't got nothing on this company. You have a quick release at the bottom right there. You just press that and it quick releases and allows you to take the watch off. Absolutely stunning watch.